Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another delicious recipe. Today we are making mackerel stew with boiled beans. If you want to see how I made this delicious recipe, please stay tuned. For this recipe, I'm using curry. I'm using 2 of this tomato, maggi, ginger and garlic, and habanero pepper, roasted mackerel, fish, mixed seasoning and thyme, white onions, vegetable oil, salt. Now that is my beans. I have soaked my beans for a little bit. I am going to wash it and bring it back. Okay guys, I am done cleaning my beans. I am going to cover it and I'm going to boil it for like 10 minutes and then I will go and clean it again because I have not soaked it for too long. I have only soaked it for like 15 minutes. It's good to soak your beans for a while. That will help you not to get bloated when you eat your beans. So I'm going to boil that for 10 minutes and I'm going to also wash it again. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to blend my tomato. I have 1 onions in here. I'm going to add my tomato. I'm also going to be adding 1 of the habanero pepper. Pot, I am going to add my vegetable oil. I am going to allow it to heat up. So now I'm going to add my onions and I'm also going to add my ginger and garlic. I'm going to add my ginger and garlic. I'm going to allow that to simmer for a minute. So after allowing that to simmer for a minute, I am going to add my blended onions, tomato and habanero pepper. Now with this sauce, I am going to just cover it. So I have covered it and I am going to reduce the heat, allow it to simmer on a medium heat and allow the tomato to cook and dry out. So guys, after allowing our beans to simmer for 10 minutes, I am going to take it out and rinse it again and put it back on the stove. So guys, our beans is clean now and it's back on the stove. I'm going to cook it now until it is soft and ready. Okay, so with my fish, I am going to debone it and put it into small pieces. So guys, now it is time to add our seasoning inside the pot. I'm going to add mixed seasoning. I've added 2 spoons of mixed seasoning. I'm going to add 2 scoops of curry. I'm going to add 1 spoon of thyme. I'm going to add 3 maggi. And I'm going to add salt. I'm going to mix. I'm going to allow that to simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes I am going to add my fish. Now I have cut my fish into tiny pieces. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to cover and allow that to simmer on a low heat for 10 minutes. Now over on this side, I am going to check my beans. My beans is soft and ready now. I am going to take it off from the stove. So guys, it has simmered on a very low heat for 10 minutes. I am going to taste for maggi and salt. There is enough maggi and there is enough salt. Everything is okay, and this sauce is tasting so yummy and so delicious. If you're somebody that only eats fish, this sauce will be so good for you. You only have to change the maggi cube to vegetable cube or something like that. But yes, apart from it, this sauce is ready and the aroma is smelling so nice and so beautiful. I can't wait to dive in and enjoy this meal. It is time for me to take my sauce off from the stove because it is ready. So guys, I am done with this recipe. This is where today's recipe is going to end. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I hope you give this recipe a try. It is really looking so delicious and so tasty. I can't wait to dive in and enjoy this beans and mackerel tomato sauce. Yes guys, I am going to love you and leave you. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.